Looking through the archives of Indian history, we are aware how Hinduism and Hindu temples prevail in our country. Somewhere, somehow, we have been told the story how Parashuram created the God's own country. Today, in Arjun Sound's Temple Visit series, let me take you to a temple of predominant historical importance in God's own country, Anantapura Sri Anantapadmanabha Swami Temple, Kasaragod. The record says that the history of this temple goes back more than 3000 years to the end of Dwapara Yuga. Another significance of this temple is that we can see a crocodile in the temple lake, which is assumed to be the only vegetarian crocodile. Discussing more about this temple, the record says Anantapadmanabha Swami Temple, Trivandrum, had its origin from Anantapadmanabha Swami Temple in Kasaragod. The story of this temple goes like this. Once, the renowned sage Agastya was searching for a perfect place to perform his penance and oblation to Agni. This place where Anantapura Anantapadmanabha Swami Temple stands today found quintessential. Here, he built 12 platforms to perform oblation which still exist under the lake. In addition, he built a deity of Sri Anantapadmanabha for worshipping. Agastya created this deity using varieties of medicinal elixir. Later, Bilwamangala Swamiji continued to worship this deity. A child always accompanied Bilwamangala Swamiji. One day, due to unbearable taunting, Swamiji slapped the child. It is told that the child then angrily walked through the just appeared tunnel which connects to a nearby coast. Following the child, Bilwamangala Swamiji reached Ananthan Forest, today's Thiruvananthapuram. Prior to our independence in 1947, the British destroyed the temple and shot the crocodile Babia. Surprisingly, within 2 days, a new crocodile appeared in the lake, which is also named as Babia. In 1976, deity made of Panchaloha was incarnated and later it was replaced with a deity made by the ancestral procedures. Along with Anantapadmanabha, Sri Devi Bhudevi, Anjaneya and Garuda can be seen incarnated in the Sanctum Sanctorum. As I mentioned earlier, the crocodile Babia here is the only vegetarian crocodile which is believed to exist. The Naivedyam after the puja is only food offered to the Babia. The deities of Ganapati, Vanashastara, Mahishamardini, Vedavati, Ullakalu, Rakteshwari and Goshala Parthasarathi can be seen in the temple premises. The one-day festival falls on the 14th day of Kumbha, that is the first week of March, under the supervision of Vedamurti Delampadi Balakrishna Tantri. Anantapura Anantapadmanabha Swami Temple offers Annadan to the devotees every day. The Anantapura temple is located in the northern part of Kerala near Kumbala.